welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be doing another phone case, and I have to say this might be my favorite one. I've always wanted a phone case like this and I finally made it myself. Much a bling gold, silver and black phone case, and this is how it turned out. Really hope you guys enjoy this video and like the phone case, subscribe to my channel, there are more videos to come, and give this video a thumbs up and give it a like for cute phone cases. And if you want to see what's in my phone, I will have a link right here and down below on what's in my phone. And also follow me on social media. I post regularly on Instagram, so here it is, and let's just get into the video. So here I am in my jewelry corner. A lot of them that are missing an earring or like missing a piece, or I don't longer wear anymore. I need to go through all of these and just pick out some pieces and put them in my little mug here. So you're gonna need a glue gun as well as some glue sticks, and you're also going to need a little like toothpick or like stick thing and a silver glittery nail polish. Of course, you're also going to need a clear case for your phone. This is a clear Samsung Galaxy S8 case, and it's just a soft gel type. And I just have a bunch of earrings and bracelets and necklaces all in this little mug. So as you can see, here is one of the earrings. This is from Forever 21, and it has the backing on it, of course, because it was an earring. And I'm just going to be removing all the backs from the earring and pulling apart the bracelet. I found this really cute button, just random, and I also have this, I don't even know what it is. It might be a necklace, a choker, I'm not sure, but I found it and I thought it was pretty. And I found this earring that has like no pair, so I was definitely going to use this one. It also matches with the gold and diamond theme that I have going on here. Here's another earring, and I also ended up finding this nice necklace that I do not use anymore at all, but I still think the little key is really cute, so I'm going to definitely use that. And just a lot of other earrings that I have. Now I'm going to take my pliers or whatever scissors you have and just take the backings off of the earrings and make sure they're nice and flat. Now I'm going to begin placing all of the bigger earrings along the case, and I'm going to just be placing it how I imagine it and how I want everything to look, and moving it around and adding things. After positioning some of the pieces and the bigger earrings and stuff like that, I'm going to begin by taking my glue gun and gluing everything down. I really liked how this strip of little diamonds looked at the bottom, so that's what I'm placing here. And just continue placing the rest of the diamonds and earrings and all of that to your desire. And this is what I have going on so far. I've placed most of them, and it is a long process, but super easy. And here's a little close-up of what I have completed. Now I'm going to take my silver glitter nail polish and I'm going to add a little bling. I do have some empty spots that I would like to fill in with that. So any spots that you see that you feel like may need a little bit more bling, I definitely recommend using a glittery nail polish like here. I'm just adding this to the key. And I am finished with the case, and this is how it looks. So shimmery. Now my phone is black from the back so I really like how it goes with it. Apply my phone on here so you guys can see how it looks. Oh my god! Here it is, guys. So as you guys can see, the black really complements well with the phone case, and it fits perfectly. I love it. It looks so bling and so pretty, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.